శ్రీవారి మెట్రో
ఆన్లైన్ టికెట్ ఉందా?
ఉంది.
ఎంత అవుతుంది? ఒక్కొక్కరికి 60 రూపీస్.
Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. So if you are already following my other videos, you would know I've come from Neyveli to Vellore through Pondicherry. So currently I was in Vellore, and me and my other friends from Vellore are leaving to Tirupati. I guess it's just 4 a.m. and we were little bit late. I thought like we missed the bus, but the bus was right there because I guess no one was there in the bus. So yeah, lucky enough to get it. We were almost 5 or 10 minutes late, and I'll just show you how beautiful the scenic were like during sunrise and all that. It was like very beautiful. We reached Chandragiri bypass by 7 a.m.
என்ன பைபாஸ்? என்ன பைபாஸ்?
சந்திரகிரி பைபாஸ்.
சந்திரகிரி பைபாஸில் இருக்கோம். இப்படி பேசணும் மச்சான், அப்போதான். இப்போ நம்ம வந்து ஸ்ரீவாரி மேட் ஐயோ ஸ்ரீவாரி மேட்டுக்கு போகிறோம். அண்ணா 7 பேர்ண்ணா. ஐயோ திடீர்னு தெலுங்கு வருது. 7 ஸ்ரீவாரி.
தமிழா ஹிந்தியா?
తమిళ్ తెలుగు నేను పేసికాను.
తెలుగు
వచ్చా? శ్రీవారి మెట్రో ఆన్లైన్ టికెట్ ఉందా?
ఉంది.
ఎంత అవుతుంది? ఒక్కొక్కరికి 60 రూపీస్. 10 కిలోమీటర్ అవుతుందా? 11.
ஏ பாருங்க, நீ பேசுனா நான் எப்படி சொல்றேன், அதான் யோசிக்கிறேன்.
ரெண்டு ஆட்டோன்றதா தான் பிரச்சனை.
என்னது?
So Autogay was asking too much of price, like 500 for 7 people for like 10 kilometers, and we asked around like, in a shop they were like they should not charge about 300. So we just started walking away. He saw us walking away and was like okay we'll take whatever you offer. So you just have to bargain, don't go above 300. So it was 8 o'clock and we started our journey. Something about Srivari Metro is that this is like 2.1 kilometers long and 3,288 steps it has. So like there's no walking and all, it just steps, 3,288 steps. So you should be little bit fit in order to make it comfortably, otherwise it will be little difficult for you and you will be very exhausted. And there are amenities like water, washrooms and sitting area for resting and all that is there's no issue. And I guess for like every 200 steps there will be a milestone board like you cleared this many steps and all that.
மை காட், 800 ரூபா இருக்கா? இல்லை 1000 தான்.
எனக்கு 1600 மாதிரி தெரியும்.
ஜீரோ மாதிரி தெரியுது.
தலை என்னடா ஆயிடா? மூச்சு வாங்கவே இல்லையா? வாங்கல. அப்போ ஏதிக்கு உட்கார கிளம்பு சொல்றியா?
எடுக்கல தானே?
எடுத்துட்டு தான் இருக்கேன்.
அப்படியா? நல்லா இருக்கேன்.
கமெண்ட்ல சொல்லுங்க. நல்லா கமெண்ட் எல்லாம் delete பண்ணிடுவோம்.
Starting 400-500 steps you will be in josh and you will make it, but after that you will become so tired and the steps will also become more steeper like this one. So you definitely need to start walking 3-4 days before coming to this place. So So we were just sitting around and taking rest, and my friend was like, okay, let me tell a joke. So I took out the camera as fast as possible, and when I go, and this is what happens.
Come on. நீங்களாம் பார்க்கணும். நீ வந்து கேண்டிடா சொல்லு.
என் மூஞ்சி பாருங்க, அது
இங்க
சூப்பரா
நீ
இருக்கு.
இல்ல ஆமா சொல்லு.
அப்படியே உழுந்து சாவு போகலாம்.
எதுக்குடா இதெல்லாம் மைக் வச்சாங்கடா இந்த மாதிரி ஆளுங்கலாம்?
வேற கேமரா தூக்கிட்டு வந்துட்டோம்.
சைலண்ட் ஜோக்கா. ஆமா நம்ம எவ்வளோ 2388 ஸ்டெப்ஸ் ஏறி இருக்கோம் மூச்சா வாங்காம. அட ஈஸியா வந்துட்டோம்.
நான் ரெகுலரா ஜாகிங் போறேன்.
டெய்லி வந்துட்டு போறது தான், மார்னிங் ஈவினிங்.
டெய்லி நான்
மேலே கீழே அப்படி.
ஆக்சுவலா ஜெனரலா பெரிய பாதை எடுப்பேன். நூப்ஸ் இருக்கிறதுனால அதுவும் இந்த லீலா இருக்கான் பாரு, சரியான நூப் அவன்.
ஆமா இல்ல இங்க பாரு டிஎம் ஃபார் ரிஸ்தா.
அட பாவி போட்டி அங்கேயாத.
என் வீடியோல பாக்குற ஒரே பொண்ணு இந்த பொண்ணு தான்.
இங்கதான் நம்ம என்ன பேருடா டிராவல் செக்டார் பேஜஸ் இதுல எடுத்துட்ட பேஜஸ்.
ஏன் இல்ல டிராவல் செக்டார் பேஜ் வந்து இன்ஸ்டாகிராம் பேஜ் ஃபாலோ பண்ணிடுங்க.
லைக் பண்ணுங்க, கமெண்ட் பண்ணுங்க, ஷேர் பண்ணுங்க, சப்ஸ்கிரைப் டு our channel டிராவல் செக்டார்.
We just came to the main place, and we were searching for a bus to catch to go to Kalyanakatta. So this is the place where the people shave their head. Because the bus was too crowded, man. Like I didn't expect it to be too crowded. Sometimes I feel this is the place where I felt maybe we made a wrong decision coming during this time or something like that, but nothing happened to anyone. And the roads and the paths, the roads are very hot due to the summer, man. Like it's very hard to walk. I hope they could have given something to walk on. We just had a prasad for lunch, and then we are going to Kalyanakatta. So 2 of my friends are going to shave their head off. I'm not going to shave my head off, like other 2 of my friends. And so this is the place, and we just have to go in a line for like 5-10 minutes, and we enter into a place which is like which has lockers as well inside the Kalyanakatta. So we just put our stuffs inside the locker. We are not allowed to take anything, even the phone, camera, nothing. So we kept our stuffs in the locker as well. I forgot to shoot the locker space, so I'm just showing you this random footage. Ignore all of this stuff. Just you can look at the lockers behind whatever is there. So that's where we kept our stuff. And yeah. Yeah, so our darshan went successful. We saw Tirupati Balaji and it was all good. We were not allowed to take anything inside, so I couldn't shoot anything, so I couldn't show you guys anything. Just make sure you get your vesties from your home, because the one you get over there are not of good quality. We also bought our vesties from our home only, and the roads are quite good. Like I love the roads. You can also see the Alipuri path, so people coming from those paths. I guess that one is 12 km long and it will take approximately 6 hours. And we took the bus directly from Tirumala to Velur. We were not planning to walk down again. We were very tired and we all slept in the bus. After 1 hour or so, I just woke up and I saw this place from above, Tirupati from above. It was so beautiful, man. Like it was very beautiful. All my sleep went away just by looking at this. It was that beautiful. You should come and look at this like directly. And I just thought I'll show you guys this. I found it very fascinating. You know, all the walls are painted with art and it was very good to see that. So that's all for today, guys. I hope you have enjoyed the video. You can like if you have enjoyed the video, you can dislike and comment and let me know what can I improve. It will be very helpful to grow my channel, and thank you for watching.